Have you seen something like this before? If so, then you've seen a fossil. But what is a fossil? Fossils are the remains of ancient life. And it's one of the main ways that we find out about life before us. Fossils can be preserved in many different ways. The most commonly known fossil is a body fossil. Here is the body fossil of a stegosaurus. Here is an example of a trace fossil where humans observe and examine footprints that have been left behind. There are also chemical fossils, which are found in rocks. A person who researches and looks for fossils is called a paleontologist, and they have the cool job of being able to look right back into the history of our lives. Who knows what discoveries might be lying right under your feet?